No, you're not
No,
getting your car now.
honestly.
Nope, you're done.
No,
You're done.
no, I just
done.
want my license so I can go with my brother. I just want my
not.
license so I can go with my brother. And that's crazy that y'all doing this, bro.
You did it. You're going to jail now.
I just wanted my card so I can go with my brother because he's right there.
On the evening of June 18th, 2025, deputies from the county sheriff's office were dispatched to the Blue Boar bar. The initial call reported a female patron acting disorderly, throwing objects, and assaulting security staff.
You guys kick her out?
Yeah. She started, was about to start throwing shit at me because she was being aggressive. And I said, hey, guys, you can't yell in here. If you want to argue, please take it outside. And then at that point, she started getting nasty. And I had my security, my guy help me out and get her out. Then she started fighting him. And so he had to, get her out.
Okay.
And that was that.
No issues other than that?
Other than that, no.
Okay, we'll get her out of here. Yep. What's up, man?
When we were all this nonsense outside of the bar,
Yeah.
we came out here after he hit her. The girl hit her, and a dude in a black car hit her. And then
Not black car.
It was a black car.
It was gray.
A white dude?
Yeah, white dude.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you see her doing, I don't know what's happening, but he was assaulting her outside the bar. Because we're here. So we hear her screaming. We're inside the bar. We're cleaning our bar. Getting ready to go home. But
One of our customers peeked out the door and said that a dude hit a woman. So me and him came out.
Oh, you guys are over here?
yeah, but that black woman saying
Yeah, no,
this
she got kicked out. She was fighting somebody inside the bar, and they kicked her out. So
Alright,
she's really drunk. So.
being
Yeah.
that's
And then
what
she
it was
drove off too.
You guys saw her driving off?
Right, she
Okay.
hauled ass out of the parking lot because he came hit
Okay.
her window, but that black gentleman over there was sitting right there the entire time.
Appreciate it.
You want to step out so we can talk to you?
I'm fine.
Can you just lean against the car?
Not yet, I promise. You're good. You're fine, I promise.
You lost your shoes? Or you took them off?
No, I took them off.
Okay.
Okay, so
What's your name?
I'm Zoe Ballard.
Zoe?
Elizabeth Ballard.
Okay, come over here and talk to me.
Okay, just let me calm down, please. My brother's on his way to pick me up.
Okay.
So I'm fine. But it's just the fact that I was at this bar and just randomly, I promise you I don't know, but randomly from my knowledge of my friend, they randomly just started kicking me out the bar.
Okay.
Just randomly. I promise I don't know. Personally, I don't know because I'm fucked up. Started kicking me out of the bar, and I have a bunch of pain all over me. Some guy just kicked me to the floor, kicked me to the ground.
Where did this happen? Out front or inside?
Inside.
Okay.
Some guy kicked me to the ground, pushed me to the ground to the point I called my brother.
Okay.
That's all my knowledge.
And you said you had a friend inside?
I had a friend inside. I don't know if he left or not because I know he's not with the drama. So I don't know if he left or not. But I know it's just me right now. And I was kicked to the ground. I literally looked at the ground while I was falling at the door. So I know somebody literally pushed me. I feel it. I feel hurt.
Do you have any marks on you or anything?
I don't
Or
know.
You just feel pain, in your wrist or something?
I just feel hurt.
I
I don't know. Like I said, I don't know because I'm drunk. I called my brother to come get me. I know he's calling me right now, but I'm dealing with you guys right now.
Okay.
I just know I was walking out the door and I was pushed to the ground. I don't know. I know I was acting a little drunk with my friend. I know that.
Okay.
I'm not completely
Of anything specific that happened inside before you,
I just know
besides you just being drunk?
I know I was talking to my friend about the guy I was literally it was to that point.
Okay.
But I know I was getting a little loud.
You guys are yelling and stuff like that?
Not yelling, but kind of a little not it was a friendly loud. It wasn't like I was trying to start nothing. It was just a friendly laugh or a friendly loud.
Okay.
And I was telling him about it, but he was telling me, so whatever the fuck, call the cops, whatever, leave him out of it. I was fine with it, because it's just the fact that I was literally pushed out the bar. Like, some random man pushed me out the bar.
Okay.
Like, I know I wasn't causing trouble to where the point you had to push me out the bar. Like, I get if I was being a little loud, it was obnoxious, like making you a little mad, that's to get. But the fact you literally pushed me out the bar, like, I could literally probably walk in there and like, point out the man who pushed me out the bar. Because it was literally that recent and that irrelevant at the fact that you had to push me out the bar. Because I wasn't causing trouble. I had a lot to say to my friend. Okay. And that's it. Like, my brother's on his way to pick me up now. I'm not gonna drive home, nothing. But it's to the fact that you pushed me to the ground. Like, I feel it in my hands still. Like, I feel it. Like, you did not have to do that. You could just ask me to walk out. You could ask me to go to my car, anything. But you pushed me to the point I fell to the ground. Okay. Like, I literally was looking at this man while I was on the ground. Like a animal, bro.
Okay, I'm listening to you.
I'm not an animal.
Okay.
So the fact you have to push me, I'm sorry. I'm not being...
You're hurting your own
I'm so
car.
sorry. No, I'm good.
I'm here to
Trust
help
me,
you,
I'm
okay?
good.
I'm not the one that did this to you, so there's
I
no
know,
reason for you
so
to
I
act this way towards
promise
me.
it's not towards you.
Okay, do you need any
promise.
medical attention right now?
I don't need a medical attention. I just need the fact that, like, I was dealt with
I get you.
inhumanely, bro. Like, you
So-
you literally shoved me outside and pushed me to the ground when I didn't do anything.
Okay.
Like, I know I was,
So let me
all
tell
I
you
was a little bit loud.
My
That's it.
partners went in there and talked to the management inside Blue Boar, and they said that you were causing a disturbance inside, and so they kicked you out of the bar.
Nobody kicked me out the bar. I promise you, nobody kicked me out the bar.
Okay, well, it seems like they wanted you out of the bar, and maybe you didn't hear them or something like that, so they thought maybe something was not okay,
if that's the case,
so they escorted
I'll
you
ask my
out of
brother
the
to come
bar.
and get me. And no, if that's the case, I'll ask my brother to come and get me. But that's not the case. I was pushed out the bar like an animal.
Okay.
Like, I'm hurt.
Okay. But you don't want any
hurt.
medical attention?
Nobody told me to leave. Nobody told me nothing. I was sitting at the bar. And then some guy dragged me to outside. And that's when I decided to call the cops.
Okay.
Because somebody dragged me outside.
Okay.
Nobody told me to leave.
I believe you. So what we can
Nobody
do on
told
our
me to
end,
leave.
if you're saying you fell
So if
in
that's
the
the
doorway
case,
of the bar,
walk up to
let
the
me
door and
talk
ask
real
who
quick.
told me to leave. Because nobody, I promise you, on everything I love, I know I'm drunk, but nobody told me to leave.
Okay. Do
No,
you think
nobody
there's
sat there and acted how I acted till I was able to leave and call the cops to tell them how I was treated.
How far away is your brother?
She should be like 10 minutes.
you want to call him? Because I know he was calling you a few
Yeah, I'll
times.
call. If y'all want to leave, I'll call.
I'm not trying to leave you here. I'm just trying to...
Him, you can tell. I'm gonna just call my brother and ask when I hear how far it is. No, like, literally how the young was acting. Like, I'm sitting here talking about something by myself. So no, I didn't come with the mail. I came by myself.
26. You said your friend was a male, but he left already. Don't worry, we're not going to get him involved or anything. I don't even know his name. So do
The
you...
fact that he left, I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Because
So
he wasn't. He wasn't even drunk. There's nothing was wrong with him. The fact that he left, it was straight.
Okay, Zoe, so I'm going to tell you, we watched the cameras, okay? Yes, sir.
23, I'm gonna see if
No, I promise you, I'm not trying to lie.
We're going to see what?
I'm not trying to nothing. Whatever I don't know, please let me know. Because I promise
Yeah,
you.
so I'm gonna tell you, and I'm not
promise
making any of this up because
Please.
I promise you it's all on video,
please,
okay?
Please.
So, you were causing a disturbance inside the bar, okay? I don't know if it was you were yelling. That's what you said that you were doing. So, it seems like you were yelling inside the bar, okay? So the manager asked you to leave. You refused to leave. You started throwing things at people inside the bar. So the manager requested the security to escort you out of the bar. While you were being escorted out of the bar, you started hitting the security guard. And then when you went through the door to leave was when you were given like an escort out, and then that's when you fell, okay? And I'm assuming you hit your hands, okay? So that's why your wrist hurts, okay? Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. I'm telling you that's what we watched on video.
That's what you watch on video. Like, you're standing right there and you watched on
Our
video.
sergeant watched it. We have videos all around
Your
this place,
sergeant
okay?
watched it.
Yes,
I didn't
ma'am.
lay a hand on nobody.
Okay,
I
if you
remember
don't want to
being
believe that,
I'm confused about why I was getting kicked out the bar.
okay.
So, like I
I'm
said,
telling you the truth, ma'am.
just let my
have it
brother
all
get
on-
here and take me home, and y'all could just shut the fuck up. Literally, I just want to go home. Please, because the fact that I sat here and caused disruptions in front of a bar is highly using me, because that's not what I would do. Yeah, I would sit here and get a little loud with my friend, but when my friend left is when I shut the fuck up. It was the fact that I was kicked bar and kicked to the ground from being at the bar. So yeah, honestly, I'm not pressing charges, and they're not pressing charges. We can just shut the fuck about this situation, and I can go back home. Don't look at my because you have no right to look at my car because I didn't let you. Thank you. Don't touch me and don't get next to my fucking car. Okay, you're next to my car, right? My property, what I pay for, right? Walk the away from me. Thank you. You're not. Thank you for my brother for coming here, but I'm not that type, bro. So what you watch
Henderson.
is just what y'all want to go with. That's fine, because I'm not the type to sit here and cause
wheel with the car.
disruption for nobody. I called the cops on y'all because I wanted help.
You called the cops on us?
Because I wanted help. I called y'all because I wanted help.
Ma'am, we are
Go.
trying to help you.
Okay, that's done with. Let my
I
brother
have not
just come
been. I have not
here.
raised my voice. I haven't been rude
Okay.
to you once. And you're
Okay,
being extremely
this
rude
means
to
I'm
us.
done talking with y'all. Y'all can walk away from my car,
Unfortunately,
and
you
my
can't
brother
walk
could
away at
come
this
because
point
y'all
now.
know help.
can't
Y'all
walk
know
away at
help.
this point.
Y'all know help. Nothing happened with my fingers. Don't walk away from my car. No consent on my car. No consent search on my car.
didn't
You
search
can
your car.
walk away. That means
Technically, I could search
that
your car because it
means
smells like weed.
that means you can walk away.
Nope.
That means you can walk away. Thank you. Let my brother come here. He's right here. Y'all can walk away. I'm not driving my car, am I? No, my brother's gonna take me, right?
You were
Okay.
in while I was running.
No, I wasn't.
No, you're not
No,
getting your car now.
honestly.
Nope, you're done.
Yo,
You're done.
no, I
You're
just
done.
want my license so I can go with my brother. I just want my
not.
license so I can go with my brother. Y'all being like this, that's crazy. That's crazy. I just want my license so I can go with my brother because I see him. And I'm letting you know, and that's crazy that y'all doing this, bro. That's
You did it. You're going to jail.
I just wanted my card so I can go with my brother because he's right there. I'm suing y'all.
That's
I'm
fine.
suing y'all. That's crazy. Cause what's your name?
Deputy Henderson, ID number
Deputy
41082.
941.
Give me a probable cause affidavit.
Oh, that's
You can read it.
fine. That's fine because I was getting my license to go with my brother that's pulling in right
Okay, we're
now.
conducting an investigation. I told you not to get in the car.
I
Then you
just
pushed
wanted,
me.
I wasn't going in the car. I was just getting my license coming right back out. You could have seen that if you would have listened. Hey, right, body
Yeah,
cam.
he's gonna go for it.
You could have listened. I was going to my car to get my license so I could come back out the car to my brother. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Your license on? Is it on? Is it
All of our
on?
cameras are on.
It's not on.
No, it is on.
Is it on?
You see
Where's the red
flashing
light?
At the
It's
top.
on?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can let them know that I was going to my car for my license.
What began as an attempt to mediate a disorderly conduct investigation quickly escalated into a felony arrest due to the subject's lack of self-control and escalating hostility. Officers began by gathering information from the bar management. According to witnesses, the subject, identified as Zoe Elizabeth Ballard, began throwing items after being told to stop screaming inside the establishment. Under Florida Statute Section 810.08, private businesses have the right to ask anyone to leave. If an individual refuses to depart after being legally noticed, they are committing trespass. Furthermore, staff may use reasonable force to remove non-compliant guests. Deputy Henderson approached Ballard as she sat by her vehicle. Ballard claimed she was the victim, alleging she was pushed and punched without provocation. Note the deputy's demeanor. Henderson maintains a calm tone, utilizing de-escalation techniques. By listening and asking Ballard to calm down, he attempts to gain voluntary compliance before moving up the use of force continuum. Once Ballard alleged she was assaulted, the officers had a legal duty to investigate. Under the landmark Supreme Court case, Graham versus Connor 1989, the reasonableness of an officer's actions must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene. While waiting for security footage, Ballard became increasingly hostile and profane. This narrowed the deputy's options, as a subject's demeanor directly impacts an officer's assessment of safety and risk. The turning point occurred when Ballard attempted to enter her vehicle during an active investigation. The deputy ordered her to stop to ensure safety and prevent her from reaching for a weapon or fleeing the scene. This was a lawful order based on the principles of Pennsylvania v. Mimms. The Supreme Court recognizes that during a lawful detention, officers may order individuals to stay out of a vehicle to protect officer safety.
I was going to my car with my license, and they pulled me and got me, bro. And fucked up. I was going to my license for my fucking car, and y'all fucked up, bro. I have shit on me. I've been sitting here listening to y'all. I've been helping with y'all. I've been listening to y'all. I've been going with y'all, and y'all acting like a bitch, a criminal, bro. Y'all up. I was going for my license, and y'all asked no, and you looking stupid because you know. No, you know. You know. Bro, they know, Chris. I was going for my license, bro. And they know. Bro, you bitch. You're a hoe. You're a hoe ass bitch. Yo, bro.
Kick us, you get in the felony.
I'm not lying.
Get in the car.
I'm not kidding. I'm trying to help.
Get in the car.
Bro.
You're not helping anything. You're trying to kick us. Put your feet down.
Put
your feet down. Sit like a lady.
Put your foot in the fucking
my
car.
hands,
Put your foot in the car.
I can't.
Sit up. You're a grown
trying.
woman. You can sit up.
I promise I'm trying, bro. I promise you, please. Stop. I'm trying.
I'm helping
I
you.
promise. No, I beg.
Put your foot underneath your butt.
Please, just. I'm trying. I promise I'm trying.
Not hard.
Please.
There, now put it underneath you and get in the car.
I'm just beg, please. I'm trying. I promise.
Get in the car, not out of the car.
I'm trying. I literally promise you, I'm trying. Just please help me. You're abusing me. I'm trying. What the fuck are you doing?
Put your feet in the car.
I'm trying to help you.
Oh, sir, your brother? Okay.
Unfortunately, I guess.
Oh, it's not unfortunate. She just got drunk.
Yeah.
So the reason she's going to be going to jail today, okay, she was in no trouble. We were doing an investigation with her. Supposedly there was some kind of fight between her and the bouncer. While we were looking into it, she tried to get into the car. I closed the door, told her she can't get in the car. We're doing an investigation. She pushed up against me, tried to open the car again. That's when she went in handcuffs. She just spit in the deputy's face and kicked her. So she will be going for felony battery on law enforcement. People do dumb things when they're drunk, but try not to hold it against her, your family. So I don't know how many sisters you got, but she's one of the only ones you got. So
She has a kid at home, so
is there anyone else at home with a kid?
my wife is with her kid.
Okay. She'll probably be out in the morning, depending on the judge. Battery on law enforcement is pretty frowned upon, so
It's very frowned
she might
upon,
not get a bail. So if she doesn't get a bail, she'll be in there for about a month. If she does get a bail, she'll contact you guys. I'll make sure she has your phone number.
Here's her phone. Here's her keys. Windows down. My piece of advice, I would move it out of this parking lot.
Yeah,
It's not the
there's a
best
lot
area.
No.
I'll move the car and
I'd move it probably.
I haven't spent too much. I'm sure it's off.
I was just saying, if you move the car and maybe have him drive back to get your truck or something, but I wouldn't leave it here.
So
Not the best area.
yeah, so I'll make sure that she has your name and phone number. So when they give her the phone call, she knows who to call. And I'll let her know. I mean, she saw you here, obviously. She knows you're here. I don't know if she'll remember, but she saw you. So.
This is going to be her.
Yeah, I mean, if anything, if they do give her a bail, if you put up collateral, you only have to pay 10%. So say if they put up a $5,000 bail, it's $500, but you have to put $5,000 up in collateral. She has a nice car. Put the car up for collateral. You know, don't put your own stuff first.
No, I'm not.
Bro, this shit hurts. Please.
We're gonna
stop.
fix them for you.
Pulling off.
We're gonna fix them for you.
I'm pulling.
Thank you.
Kick me again. Kick me again. Kick me again. We're trying to help you. You're at the hospital.
You're not
Stop acting. Act like an adult.
You're not helping me.
Act like an adult. Act like an adult. Stop acting like a child. Grow up.
You're hurting me.
Sit down.
You're hurting me.
Act like
You up, bitch!
grow up.
You up!
Grow up.
I'm telling
Sit
you,
down.
cops! Who the
Sit
fuck is
down.
your name? I'm you up! What's your
Try to
name?
kick me.
What's your
Try to
name?
kick me and see
What's
what
your name, bitch ass nigga? What the is your name? What is your name? Tell me it. Tell me
Right
what
here.
the
Can you
fuck's
read?
your name?
Grow up.
No, I can't see. I want to see your car. Walk in.
Hey,
Car, well, walk
relax,
in
just
here.
sit in the car.
I want to see your bitch ass nigga. You bitch ass abusing ass nigga. I want your name. I want your name and I want your number. Nah.
Famous ID number 39656.
Zoe, stop
Grow
kicking
up.
Hey,
back.
Act
you
like an
dead. You done for. You're
what?
losing your.
Her physical resistance at this point shifted the encounter from an investigative detention to an arrest for resisting an officer without violence, allowing deputies to use physical control and handcuffs. As she was being placed in the patrol car, the situation worsened. Ballard reportedly spat in a deputy's face and began kicking. Under Florida Statute Section 784.07, this constitutes battery on a law enforcement officer. In Florida, spitting on an officer in the line of duty is a third-degree felony, as it involves an assault with bodily fluids. Now for the final assessment. Deputy Henderson receives a grade B+. He remained professional under extreme provocation. However, he could have established a stricter reactionary gap earlier to prevent her from reaching the car. Zoe Ballard receives a grade F. She transformed a civil trespass issue into a life-altering felony through sheer non-compliance and unprovoked violence against public servants. The lesson here is simple. You can't win a fight on the side of the road. If you believe your rights are being violated, remain silent and let your attorney handle it in court. Resistance only guarantees more charges. Thank you for watching this legal analysis. Remember, knowing the law is your best defense. Subscribe for more breakdowns of real-world police interactions.